In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a background with AI in Canva. Whether you're designing a presentation, creating social media graphics, or just looking to spice up your visual content, Canva's AI can be a powerful tool to help you create stunning backgrounds easily and efficiently. So let's dive right in and explore how you can make this happen. First, you'll want to start by opening Canva. Once you're in, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If you're new to Canva, you can sign up for a free account or choose one of their premium options if you're looking for more advanced features. Once you're set up, navigate to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a toolbar packed with various tools and options. From here, locate and click on the Magic Media option. This is where the magic quite literally begins. With Magic Media open, the next step is to type in your desired background. This is your chance to get creative and specific about what you want. Whether you're envisioning a serene beach scene, a bustling cityscape, or an abstract pattern, type in a clear description of what you're looking for. The AI will use your input to generate a background that matches your vision as closely as possible. After you've entered your desired background description, it's time to sit back and let the AI do its work. You'll see a loading screen as the AI processes your request. Now, it's important to remember that this might take a little time. The AI is analyzing numerous factors to create the best possible background for you, so patience is key here. Once the background has been generated, you'll be able to see a variety of options to choose from. Take your time to browse through these and find the one that best fits your project. You might find something that perfectly captures your initial idea, or you might even be inspired by an unexpected result. When you've made your choice, click on the background to apply it to your design. And there you have it. You've successfully generated an AI-powered background in Canva. This feature not only saves time, but also opens up a world of creativity, allowing you to experiment with different styles and themes without the need for advanced design skills. Remember, if you ever want to tweak your background or try something new, you can always go back to Magic Media and generate a different background. Happy designing, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.